Here I am in the loft in between Switchblades. The Switchblade is available in two versions. The normal version, which is built with biply upper body panels and a monofilm window, and it's available in the HD, this version, which has the 2mm X-ply upper body and X-ply window, no monofilm. The 2022 version is actually updated with optics, but the technical design remains the same from 21 to 22. And we do that because, well, essentially, if it's not broken, we're not fixing it. I did explore some alternative designs for 2022, but the 2021 technical design proved itself in tests. So it's updated optically, and it carries with it its pedigree. The Switchblade is a competitive slalom design, but it's easy to use. I'm not saying necessarily that the full race version is so difficult to use when you're underway, but the wide mast pocket can become a big water tank when you're in the water a lot and you're trying to get going and pulling it up out of the water. So the narrow mast pocket avoids this. And otherwise, it is a competitive design on the race course. Who would use the Switchblade? Someone looking for upper end slalom performance. When I say upper end, I make reference also to the batten construction. We have tube battens all over the Switchblade. There's nothing held back on the batten systems. So your upper end is, it's there, it's stable and easy. But it doesn't have the wide mast pocket, and it's easier rotating, easier to pull out of the water. So it's designed for optimum slalom sailing in an easy package.